I smoke weed in the sound booth, you know what I mean? What is it, Mike Measy in the house, you know what I'm saying? Mike Marshall. It's your boy Equipto. What's up, Gold Toes? Yeah, Frisco in the building. I brought my man Rome, you know what I'm saying? And FDOG with me. What's up? Come on.
Traveling.
What is it? Get money, money. Alright,
Honey Gold Toes, all sweet like honey.
all sweet,
honey.
all sweet. You know what I mean?
Tragedies and come ups,
ups and downs.
you lose some, you win some.
Yeah, hustling. Yo, wrong. Hit him with it, man.
I'm schooling niggas, I'm teaching what I've learned. I'm giving back to the block like a curve. I'm straight up and down like a bird. That's why niggas wanna be me like my sperm. But I'm still trying to survive the ghetto like her. And I'm still preaching my word to all these bitches that's ready to go get it. If she found money, she can be my lieutenant. If she true to it, she can be my who did it. If she loose with it, she just little who didn't. Game recognized, game for real, nigga. Listen, when I'm spitting, I'm just keeping it real with ya. I ain't tryna be Fat Joe Nas or Chica. I ain't tryna be Snoop Quinn or mess. I ain't tryna be all swag, pretty and fresh. I'm just tryna do me, none more, none less.
Yes,
Traveling.
come on. Money, money. Everybody.
Honey Gold Toes,
Gold Toes.
all sweet like honey.
That's my homeboy. You know.
Tragedies and come ups,
Come up, y'all. Come on.
you lose some, you win some.
Ups and downs.
Hustling,
Come on. Queens.
I'm going hard, knee deep, really doing this shit. I'm worldwide, going platinum with this beautiful bitch. I'm just a player in this game that's making this change. I knock a hoe without saying a thing. Bad bees, I'm a sweater, send it like a letter. Indebted with fake peas, I'm so far ahead of her. I'm moving this southeast, see, baby, I'm bout cheese. I count G's daily, incredible mouthpiece. They never gon' doubt me, I'm part of this blueprint. My rap stats sharper than a tackle with toothpick. Crews get mad when they hear my new shit. Philosophize gang like my name is Confucius. Through mass confusion, the youth get hyphy. I got a bad white bitch, I'm feeling like iced tea. You ask your wifey, I bet she say Crypto go with Gold Toes. You know that's my Frisco folks.
What's up, Gold Toes?
traveling.
Yeah. Money, money, money.
Honey Gold Toes,
Damn.
all sweet like honey.
Every single one of them, you know what I mean?
Tragedies
And we
come ups,
come up,
you lose some, you win some.
FDOG.
Hustling,
Yeah, let her know.
I'm high caliber, I'm sharper than Excalibur. That amateur was mad when the bitch shows up and tried to damage her.
Yes.
Working with the villains, now she ain't feeling them no more. She put the money in my hand and snapped that Cadillac door. She was looking for a change that she ain't seen before. Now the bitch is a living legend that proceeds to hoe. Chicken chains and sunshine, rain, sleet, and snow. With the customer getting money and handing me the dough. So unbelievable, she's like the thing like clockwork. Those lip zips and fingertips in a high skirt. The perfect component, so when she pushing the bone, she break the drink for all the dough because she know that he wants it. He tryna live that dream with the pretty young thing, but little do he know she paying homage to a king. Fitted from the bread that the bad bitch brings. So when you see me slide clean, bitch, get on my jeans.
Do it.
traveling.
Money, money, Skrilla scratch paper.
Honey Gold Toes, all sweet like honey.
All sweet, all sweet. What we going crazy for? You know?
Tragedies
Yeah.
and come ups,
We gon' find a way though, you know what I'm saying? Regardless of
you
this
lose
shit.
some, you win
What
some.
we doing? Hustling. Yeah.
Traveling.
Yeah, we gon' hit it there, man. Nationwide, worldwide at this shit.
Honey Gold Toes,
Put it down, let it
all
be known.
sweet like honey.
Seeing through the bullshit at the same time.
Tragedies
Even in Frisco all the time.
and come
You know,
ups,
that's what it is, Bay Area. It's your boy Equipto.